Decoding media messages in the classroom. In a world where media is omnipresent, understanding and interpreting media messages is a critical skill for both teachers and students. Welcome to our series on enhancing media literacy in education. Today, we're focusing on how teachers can help students decode media messages. Section 1. Classroom Analysis Techniques. We'll guide you through effective techniques to teach students how to interpret media messages. Let's begin with classroom analysis techniques. Technique 1. Contextual analysis. First, let's explore contextual analysis. This involves looking at the broader context in which a media message was created. Consider a news report on climate change. Discuss with students the political, economic, and environmental context of the report. What events might have influenced it? This helps students see the bigger picture. Technique 2. Content analysis. Next is content analysis. This is about examining the content itself, words, images, and sounds. Take an advertisement and dissect its content. What emotions are being targeted? What language is used? This encourages students to think about the how and why of media messages. Technique 3. Narrative analysis. Let's talk about narrative analysis. This is about understanding the story being told and its structure. Analyze a television commercial or a social media campaign. Discuss its narrative structure, the beginning, middle, and end. What story is being told? How does the narrative influence the audience's perception? Technique 4. Audience analysis. Next, we have audience analysis. This focuses on understanding who the intended audience of a media message is and how this influences the message. Look at different magazine covers or YouTube videos. Discuss with students who the intended audience might be and why. How does the target audience affect the content and style of the media? Section 2. School-based media analysis examples. Now, let's look at some specific school-based examples. Example 1. School newspaper analysis. A practical exercise is analyzing your school newspaper. Discuss with students how articles are written, what topics are chosen, and what perspectives are presented. It's a relatable way to apply media analysis skills. Example 2. Social media trends discussion. Engage students in a discussion about current social media trends. Why do certain posts go viral? How do social media platforms curate content? This taps into their everyday experiences with media. Example 3. Analyzing classroom materials. Analyze classroom materials like textbooks or educational videos. Discuss what perspectives are included or excluded and how this might influence students' understanding of a subject. Example 4. Film analysis in literature class. In a literature class, compare a novel with its film adaptation. Discuss how the story changes in different media forms and what impact this has on the audience's interpretation. Section 3. Fact versus opinion in media. Understanding the difference between fact and opinion is crucial in media literacy. Let's delve into how you can teach this distinction. Activity. Fact versus opinion worksheet. Create worksheets with various statements from different media sources. Ask students to identify which are facts and which are opinions. This simple activity sharpens their ability to distinguish between objective and subjective information. Discussion. News analysis. Analyze a news article with your class. Identify which parts are reporting, facts, and which parts contain the journalist's or source's opinions. Encourage students to question how the presence of opinions can influence a reader's understanding of the facts. Our role in helping students navigate and interpret media is more important than ever. By employing these techniques and examples in our classroom, we are equipping our students with critical thinking skills essential for the 21st century. Keep engaging, keep educating, and keep inspiring. Thank you for watching and happy teaching.